there, little explorers! Welcome to Fruity Fun Time, where fruits come alive and tell us all about themselves. I'm your fruity friend, your name, and today we're going on a fruity adventure. Our first fruity friend is none other than the mighty and juicy apple!
Hello, kids. I'm Apple, the crunchiest and tastiest fruit in the orchard. Did you know I'm loaded with vitamins and fiber? Eating me helps keep the doctor away and keeps your tummy happy.
Now let's say hello to the tropical sensation, banana!
Hey, little buddies. I'm Banana, the energy booster. I'm full of potassium, which is fantastic for your muscles and helps you stay strong. Plus, I'm a great on-the-go snack.
Wasn't that a blast, learning about our fruity friends? Remember, each fruit has its own superpowers to keep you healthy and happy. So, go on, try them all, and make friends with these fantastic fruits. Don't forget to subscribe and join us for more fruity fun time. Until next time, keep it fruity and fun!